Today, I will show you how to fix the Ubisoft Connect as detected an unrecoverable error on Ubisoft Connect. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, I needed to ensure that Ubisoft Connect is completely closed on your computer, and you need to check the system tray and task manager. Now, what I'll need you to do from here is to locate the Ubisoft game launcher folder and also delete it from your computer. And you're gonna restart Ubisoft Connect, and this should ask you to log in again if you've successfully deleted the game folder. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the launcher cache. So we're gonna navigate to the default installation path, which is this path right here. You go to settings, you go to download, you see the path right here. You're gonna delete or rename the cache folder, and you may also delete the crash logs and version.txt files in the same directory to ensure a clean start. Now, the next thing to do would be to go to your exe file and the downloaded file that you downloaded for Ubisoft. And this time, once you run, you're going to need to right click on the program as you run it, and you're going to run as an administrator. So you need to run the program as an administrator. Now, if this problem still occurs, if you still have the error, then what I'm going to advise you to do is to delete the game in a whole and then go to Ubisoft official website and download the game from their website and then reinstall it as a new game. Now, that's how to fix the Ubisoft Connect as detected an unrecoverable error on Ubisoft. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our social media channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.